Okay, so we are on our way to go see what we can find at Goodwill today, and it's my sourcing day, so hopefully we'll have some good luck. Ooh, I like when the first thing I find is some Eileen Fisher. It is an extra small, but it's kind of oversized. It's made out of 100% organic cotton, so I don't know, this is a nice piece. I'm definitely going to pick this one up. Let's see here. Okay, some Free People Beach. I like this top. I like the little twist on the bottom. It looks like it's probably a crop top. It's textured. It would be great for somebody to wear at the beach or something. It's a size small, but comps look good. Dresses are not my strong point. If you guys have some good brands and stuff, throw them down in the comments for me. I picked up this Eliza J dress because it looked pretty. It was floral. It was a decent size. So I'm going to try to sell it. Well, I was feeling these and they looked like Lululemon, but where is the Lululemon logo? Oh my goodness. They actually look really tiny. There's the tag. Okay, so they're a size 4. They look smaller than that. There's the logo. Wow, these are in really nice condition. I like the purple camo. We're going to get these. Okay, I don't know if you can see the tag, and that's okay because I can't pronounce it anyway. Badgley something. Anyway, look at the sequins and the feathers. It's 100% silk. It feels like. Let's check the tag on this. But this would be great for like a summer wedding or reception. Especially if it's silk. Maybe this isn't something good to pick up, but we'll see. I promise I'm trying to shop for the season, but when I see something this cute, how am I supposed to not buy it? Oh my gosh, it is so adorable. This would be the perfect Christmas sweater for somebody. I wonder what it's made out of. Looks like some cashmere and wool. Let's grab it. Okay, well, personally, I liked this. I like the quilted color block look. It was a size large, okay, and by Blank NYC. I didn't pick it up, though, because the comps were horrible. Y'all, this made me so sad. I wanted to get this, but obviously it's completely ruined. This is Tiny by Anthropology. And I think I let my feelings just get all up on me on this one because I thought it was beautiful. The comps didn't look that great. There weren't any solds. There were a lot listed. But my size is bigger than the other ones that are put up. Most of them were smalls and extra small. So I'm going to grab it anyway. Well, this is a Free People size medium. It buttons up, it ties, needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it was in great condition. I couldn't pass it up, even though it won't sell for a whole lot. It looks like it'll sell fairly quickly. Now, some of the Under Armour lines do pretty well. This sweatshirt obviously has a lot of wear up around the neck and the hood, so I didn't get it, but I'll show you a comp just in case you're interested in picking something like this up for your inventory. What is this, cougar leather? I've never heard of it, but the leather was actually pretty messed up. Oh my gosh, what is this? This looks like a Hot Topic piece right here to me. Let's check the tag. Hot Topic extra large. Okay, I am definitely getting this and going to sell it closer to Halloween time because I know this will sell. I mean, come on, Michael Myers, awesome. Some good old Harley Davidson jeans. These are really thick, which I guess you kind of need when you're riding on a motorcycle, right? So these are perfect. Let's see. They look old though, like vintage. Let's see if the tag, it looks like a paper tag. 19.99. So, okay, yeah. We'll pick these up and I could probably get about $30. So let's take a break from the clothes. This caught my eye because of the camo and how clean it was. It looks like the brand Bagalini, however you say that. But look, it looks like it has not ever been used. Now, they're washable, so maybe somebody just washed it. But for $4, this brand actually has a lot of demand behind it. So I'm definitely going to pick this up and list it maybe for about $30, $35. Ooh, another thing that I just don't know a lot about. So definitely did not pick these up because I don't like shipping breakables. But I like to check them out. You never know what you might find in this section. I've sold some plates, just it's very rare for me. So, I suggest to always check out because you never know what you're going to find. You could find something pretty valuable, and if you're not afraid of breakables, go for it. I've sold some Kipling purses, but this is like straight up luggage right here. Unfortunately, it's very big and it would be hard to ship, and it's a mess, y'all. But I will pop up what you could get for it if you come across it in a store and maybe you're interested in selling it yourself. This was a pass for me though. It had a lot of condition issues. Ooh, a band shirt, a paper tag, and it's the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Let's see if on the back that it lists like the tour dates or anything. Well, I was excited about this until I checked the comps and they stank. Well, I like these. These are just like a classic Sam Edelman black heel. Let's check them out. Ew. Ew, okay, that was gross. Let's just move on. Now, I have never sourced Puma shoes before, but these actually look like, they look new. So why wouldn't I at least check the comps on these? It looks like I could sell them for maybe about $40, pushing it to the highest end here. It looks like they're like a running shoe. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get these. It'll cost me $6.50. So let's see what size they are. An 12. These are interesting, except for they have dog fur all over them. So I'm going to go put these back. All right, guys, I got my revenge. Back a few videos ago, you guys told me that I missed that brand and that it's a decent one to sell. So look, I found the brand again. I don't think this style is quite as desirable as the one I accidentally passed up before, but y'all taught me something. I listened, and I'm going to pick these up. I think they're really cool. So I'll throw some comps up here, and hopefully I'll get them sold. How obvious is it that I'm really struggling? What the heck is on my hand? It's all shiny. Anyway, it's obvious probably that I'm struggling with the dresses and knowing what to pick up. So I just got this because it was pretty, and it has like little purple flowers all over it. April Cornell. I've heard of that brand selling. I probably shouldn't have got an extra small, but heck, if I can't sell it, then I'm going to wear it myself. So comments below on that. Well, I found my favorite brand. I'm not too crazy over these Sundance pants, capris, whatever they are. And it doesn't matter because the button was completely broken. See there on the left? Oh my gosh, so can't get those. What about these? Banana Republic wide leg crop size 12. I don't know. I don't really usually sell Banana Republic, but should I have picked them up with the tags on them? Well, these look like Athleta, so let's check and see. They look like, yep, definitely Athleta size 6. Looking up the comps, they didn't look like something worth buying, so I'll pass. And I wandered over to the hard goods because I heard them just put out a cart of stuff. Precious Moments, clock. Yeah, maybe I should have looked it up, but I don't know. Wasn't very interested in it. What else do we have? Some little baskets. Everything here is $4 a piece, unless it's marked differently. So that's a lot for a lot of this stuff. I'm not going to pick up like a basket. Or these guys. For $4 a piece, they had tags on them. They're really cute. And I love a good teddy bear, but $4? There's no way. All right, so we got this egg thing. And are these cats or monkeys? I'm not quite sure. There was a lot of damage to this, so I'm just going to go back to the clothing. Rag & Bone. Okay, Rag & Bone. Should I get these? I know I probably can't sell them for more than maybe $18, but they're $4.25, so maybe I should give it a shot. They're cute and they're in really good shape. I just know that Rag & Bone is not all the rage anymore, but I think I'm going to get these anyway. I spot a Eileen Fisher on the right and Free People on the left. A size medium. I really like this though. It seems pretty oversized, but that's okay. This is like a really cute shirt. I'll have to check the comps on this to see if it performs well or not. Let's give you the full picture here. And so yeah, it's definitely sheery, but I'm going to grab it. This is a Maeve Anthropology, and talk about oversized. This is a small, wow. But it is really cute, and it'd be perfect to wear at a beach. It's really flowy. I don't know. I like it. I like the stripes. I think I'm going to grab this one for $4.25 and move back over to the hard goods. This definitely looks vintage. So it looks like it's from 1972. I don't really know what it is. Maybe some sort of wall hanging. The comps didn't look so great. So let's knock down some pants like I always do. I do try to put them back up. There's a dry cleaning tag. That's usually a good thing. And this is Babaton, size 12. I've heard of that brand before. Let's look at them a little more. I guess they're like a dress pant. I don't know. I've never picked up this brand, so maybe I should pick it up and try it. I think they're an expensive brand, so I'll do my research and let you guys know. Well, these Under Armour pants are just like a bread and butter. Any of them in a good size and good condition that I find, I'm going to get. They're golf pants, so I'm just going to grab these and know that they're going to flip for maybe $20, $25. And yeah, we'll grab those after I drop them, of course. Now, I like this. It's definitely a Western shirt. I like the little... I don't know, the pattern in it is really cool. And I about dropped it again. Y'all, I can't do things one-handed. I really can't. Is this an extra large women's or men's? It looks more like women's. But I'm going to take this. Ooh, I like the little metallic-y look of this shirt. It's Harley Davidson. It looks like a women's size extra large. And I love the angel wings on the back, which I think will be its selling point. So I'm going to grab this. Crocs or no Crocs? Now, y'all, my son wanted Crocs the other day, and these things are so expensive, like ridiculously expensive, but I don't know. I just didn't want that pair. I don't know why, but they were not appealing to me. They had a little bit of wear to them. Maybe that's why. And the shoes are, I think, $6.50 now at this store. Here are a little pair of toddler Jordans, but there's a lot of fraying at the top, so let's go head over to the hard goods again. It appears that somebody got rid of every Gerber baby mug they ever owned or something. I'm not sure about that, guys. Here is a funky looking teapot and some more dishes that I'm not quite interested in, but I figured I'd show you guys anyway. Let's take a look at some other stuff here. Yeah, I'm just not really seeing things that I'm feeling confident about grabbing. So let's go back and check out the clothes one more time. I like this Zara piece. I mean, it's spring, and how cute is that for spring? And it looks like the material makeup was pretty good. So I'm going to check the comps on that to see if I should grab it. Oh, they didn't look so good, so I didn't grab that or this Harley Davidson shirt. Pretty selective about Harley Davidson. Now look at these pants. Oh my gosh, they have like a hummingbird or a bird. I love the embroidery, like the colorful embroidery. What the heck are these? Because these are like super unique. I really like them. So Pamela McCoy. Who is Pamela McCoy? Okay, I'm going to have to take a look at these. I think this is like only the second time that I found a fish hippie, and I don't know, I might buy these because they're in really, really good shape, a great size, and I mean, I'm not going to make a lot, but I'm pretty sure I can flip these, so I'm going to put these in my cart, and I just can't help it. They're really cute, and I know the brand has a following. Wooden chips. I have heard of that, but this just, I don't know, it's not in very good shape. It looks like it's been washed and it probably shouldn't have been. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to pick this one up, even though I'm excited that this is the first time I've found this brand. Oh, Lululemon again. Oh, the day when I used to be happy to find Lululemon. And I mean, I still am, because some Lululemon still does really well. And let's see. Oh my God, the tag's in it. What size did that say? It was a 12 regular, I believe. So yeah, okay, we're going to grab them. Are you guys like this? I'm all over the place at the thrift store. I'm in the clothes, I'm in the shoes, I'm in the books, which I usually don't show because I know nothing about books, and I'm in the hard goods all the time. This looks interesting, but yeah, that just, Okay, so this was at the end of a rack, and I like 511 Tactical, and the shirt was in really good condition or I wouldn't have picked it up. So I was really happy with the things that we found. Thanks for coming along with me, and I will see you guys next time.